Bonjour à tous, good morning children. Today we are going to learn about difference in verbs. Verbs, when do you conjugate verbs? Which verb should be conjugate? Which are the verb you should not conjugate? It will be remains as infinitive. Now we are going to learn about that only. Now, few verbs which act as a helping verb before the action verb. Whenever you have two verbs together, you have to conjugate the first verb and second verb will be in infinitive. Infinitive means without conjugating the full form of the verb is there, no? That is called infinitive verb. Only you conjugate the first verb. Second verb will be as a infinitive. Now we will learn which are the verbs will combine comes as a first verb, such as savoir, désirer, vouloir, faire, devoir, aimer, aller, pouvoir, flower, préférer. These are the words which is used as a helping word before the action verb. Action verb which is the real action which take place in that sentence. These will be tell about the desire or hoping or if you want to do something, it will be the helping word about tells your feelings or your reaction or your response like that. And next comes the infinitive verb. For example, I like to do. Do is the action. What you are going to do, that is the action. I like, which means that I like is the verb which tells, which helps you, which helps or which act as a supporting verb. So this like won't be the action verb in the sentence. It just tells your feeling or tells your desire or tells your support. It supports the verb, and next verb will be the action verb. So whenever you have two verbs together, the first verb will be conjugated and second verb will be as same as the infinitive. Je sais jouer. Je is a subject, say savoir verb. Say na. Now look at this, le pronom sujet. You already learned le pronom sujet, subjects je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il pluriel, elle pluriel. First verb savoir and second verb it is jouer. Now we are going to conjugate with je. Je. Now the savoir, I already told you the first verb will be conjugated. So you have to conjugate the first verb savoir. Je sais jouer. Jouer will be as such. It won't be conjugated to the je. Only the first verb will be conjugated. Even though jouer is the main verb, which is the action verb, we won't conjugate that verb to the subject je. Only the first helping word or supporting word which will be conjugated. So I hope you understand which verb should be conjugated. Now next one it is, we are going to learn about impersonal verb. Impersonal verb means which won't come for other subjects, only it comes for il. Il means here it is not he or she. It is not means that he. It means it. It will be for without it is not for the person, it is for any other things like a climate or like a situation. You generally say no, it rains. It rains means it is raining. So it is not a person. We are telling about the rain which comes. So it rains, it snows. So here we use il. So here you use il. Only for certain verbs you use il. Flower, pleuvoir, neiger. Flower means must. The meaning for flower means must. It must. Pleuvoir means rain, to rain. It's raining. Neiger means to snow. It's snowing. So For these verbs we will use only il. Il faut, il pleut, il neige. Only il have the conjugation for these verbs. Il faut, il pleut, il neige. So only these verbs you have to conjugate to the il.